What's up, guys? Level 7 Wall Street here. It's Sunday, Monday almost, give or take. We're in Asia time, so it's kind of afternoon here. And TradingView did a recent update where they kind of don't allow you to post videos anymore unless people can grab your charts. So because some of the indicators I have are private, they don't let me post videos, so I had to find a way to do it. So let's go over the signals on Friday. Let's see. We had market structure flipping bearish at 9 a.m. and that played out pretty well. Market structure flip was probably around here. And as we open, we've been kind of bearish the whole time there. And then eventually at 9:50, we had a buy signal. So that was around, but that was on YM. So YM buy signal was a pretty iffy 50-50 chance, but it did work out pretty good there. We had a nice move from 59.39 to 59.45, so about 6 points, and then as high as over here as 59.47, so about 7 points. And then we dropped down again naturally because we're still in bearish structure, right? So in bearish structure, we want to short the resistance. So if you short this resistance here on the red moving average on the 1 minute time frame, that's 59.48 to as low as 59.25. And that's kind of the area I've been watching as well. And that's also the support we have for the last few days too. As I said, above 59.20, we're pretty bullish, right? Under that, we can get bearish. And on Friday, we held that. So we continue to rally back up from there. I don't think I traded that time frame. Not 100% sure. But we moved back up. We continued to move up and up and up and up. And it just kind of squeezed a lot. And then end of the day on Friday, we had that Moody credit downgrade change in the U.S. credit rating, and that dropped a lot. That essentially took us all the way under to 59.20s again, and we held that area naturally. So we also have market structure flipping bullish at 12 too. So yeah, that means you want to buy the MOB. So that structure was probably a perfect signal there, and we went up higher. And then 140, we had a sell signal, which was around here. That was 59.65 to as low as 59.58, about another 5 to 7 points, which means you're not getting much. You're just getting something. And then 330, we had a triple sell signal, which is a B plus setup there. Let's see, what was that? 330 right here. 59.70s went as low as 59.64, so another 5-6 point move. Really, really crappy move, honestly, but that's the scalper's opportunities. And then after market close, at all-time highs or highs for this month, we crash again, dropping all the way low. And now we're on Sunday session. We have lost that 59.20 area. Let's see how it does this night, overnight, and go into Monday. So I'll take a little bit look into where we think the market is going to go. So clean this up a little bit. So this is the 59.20 area. And as you can see, this area has been holding pretty good here, right? This was resistance and now it's support, and it's became support the last few days. And now we eventually lost that support right here at 11 p.m. So losing that support, next level is probably 5900s, which is around here. And then if that 5900 level gets lost, which is here, right? If this area gets lost, then we're coming back to the 10-minute MOB, which is 5870s, but we'll eventually become bearish again once we lose 5900s, because now we can correct to 5850s, we can correct to 5740s, so it'll be fun, and even 5550s over here. We'd love to see it come back here. That would be a nice correction, but we'll probably stop at 5850 first. So see how that plays out. I hope that helps. Good luck. Have a great day.